Okay, open your Facebook and then scroll down and then go to help, settings and privacy, and then go to settings and then go to password and security and wait, and then recommended, check your important security check up, your password is okay, login alerts are on, and then turn on two-factor authentication. So, click natin yan. So we will titignan natin ito. If you turn on two-factor authentication, we'll ask for your code if we see an attempt sign. Kung merong magsasign na iba sa iyong Facebook ay kailangan mo ng code. Kailangan ng code, which is kung merong mag-hack ng iyong Facebook, hindi nila yan mo-open dahil ikaw lang ang makaka-receive ng code na iyon. Okay, so gagamitin natin ang text message. Okay, so click natin ito sa ating text message. Okay, and then continue. And then makikita mo dyan kung ano ang nakaregister na phone number mo if it's currently working or mag-a-add ka ng number. Continue, and then meron kang marireceive na text message regarding your code. Okay, so yun ang code natin. Enter lang natin ang code and then continue. Okay, two-factor authentication is on. So naka-on na po siya. Okay, we'll send a verification code. This number if we notice an attempt login from a device. Kapag merong nag-login po sa iyong Facebook, makaka-receive ka ng code sa iyong phone number which is they are needed upang ma-open nila yung Facebook mo. Okay, if you want to change your password, you can change it here. Okay, so let's check the use two-factor authentication. Okay, scroll down lang natin siya. Okay, so go to get alerts about unrecognized logins. So kailangan mo na itong i-on lahat, notification, messenger, and email. So kailangan mo itong i-on. So naka-on ang notification and email. So messenger, click mo and then mag-open yan. Don't get notification, get notification. And then save, and then you need to re-enter your password of your Facebook. Okay, continue. Login alerts are on. Lahat po sila ay naka-on, notification, messenger, lahat. So meron kang ma-receive from Facebook, login alerts na sinasabi niya ay naka-on. Okay, so next is choose your trusted contacts. Okay, so choose trusted contacts 3 to 5 na friends mo that you are trusted mo na friends. Okay, so click lang natin yan and then you need to search for them. Okay, click lang natin siya, mag-search lang ako. 3 to 5 po ang 3 ang minimum and then 5 ang maximum niya. So kahit 4 lang, pwede na po yun. Kahit 4 lang. Okay, so wala na. Done. Done. Okay, finish na po yun. So, ganun lang po siya. Ganun pa lang po ang inyong gagawin. Just follow these steps. Salamat po ng marami.